Hi funny video lovers, here's a brand new funny video compilation. Please give us your comments on the videos that are funniest to you. Well, okay then, let's jump into the video.
Shakira, what do you have to say about the race?
Boy, it look like Shakira did the Jamaican something star. Cause ever since she come last, them not stop laugh after her, brother. Them not stop make joke at her.
Well, that was only one race. I'm not done. You know what I'm capable of. So you can count me out all you want. You can talk all the shit that you want. But I'm not done. I'm here to stay. I'm the 6th fastest woman in this game ever. And can nobody take that from me. Because I'm not done. And that's on period. Watch out, you know. Wait, y'all.
Crazy.
Keep letting it go. Stay in the middle. Stay. Oh my God. You alright?
It's open.
You done go a little bit too hard, baby girl. But no worry, you have company. Cause the brother no better than you.
Big man pan swing song. Yo, Al, where you do, Al? You're 50-year-old and you're the pan swing song. How where you do? No, I know what me think you go try do right now, dog. You go right round the swing song. No, dog, how where you do, my youth? No, how where am I go try do now? Watch out. Boom, but the man I do it. Watch out. That no happen.
Better sleep with one eye.
I hold him up.
Me no really know where they go on this, so. But I never one donkey kick me expect her to get still. Think should I get something else?
No.
Brother, what a way you want bright?
Go show it's your birthday.
What the heck? What's wrong with you?
From me, I grew me here, so I'm not for run down man, you know. You know, for run down boss, and you know, for run down man. Father, may I beg you. Yes, if you see me, I run down one man, when you give me one almighty lick in my neck back, boom, I'm a chop a ground. Come on, date them something that's done. Stop run down man, no man.
You're right. Cause no found a woman around a woman these days instead of man. I gotta say, isn't she just the cutest little thing?
Rooster? Can you do the chicken dance? Do the chicken dance.
Good job.
Big A. Rooster. See.
What?
Something alright. Something alright, yeah.
You may not know how, you may not know when, do it again.
On the people. What? Oh!
Somebody, oh!
He needs some milk.
Yeah, boy.